Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Suzuki GSXS1000FZ. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 8,143 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need front turn signals with sufficient visibility. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the frame slider and a blemish on the rider peg. This bike has an owner's manual and one key. It comes equipped with ABS and traction control. It's been upgraded with aftermarket rear turn signals, flush mount front turn signals, a rear fender eliminator kit, frame sliders, swing arm spools, a windscreen, mirrors, and tank pads. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.